Good afternoon to all. Thank you, TWF team, for organizing this event in person after long years of disturbance that we had socially. And I'm Nitin Rathod from Dürr, India, representing a topic of sustainable technologies in two-wheeler and three-wheeler manufacturing today. We have just a two-point agenda for today's discussion. First is about Dürr Group and Dürr India, all about. And second topic is about Dürr sustainable solutions that we have for two-wheeler and three-wheeler manufacturing, which covers broadly in the area of paint shop, end-of-the-line filling solution, lithium-ion battery electrode manufacturing and coating, and DXQ, which is the digital intelligence of Dürr. It's a software, basically. So first we start about Dürr Group. Dürr was founded in 1896, and with 125 years of experience, it is a 4 billion euros company operating out of Germany, headquartered, and around 18,000 employees with 120 business units and in 33 countries. Dürr Group operates under the three brands, Dürr, Schenk, and Homag, with the 5 divisions. Dürr Systems AG is in the field of painting and final assembly, and a complete robot which is used for painting, along with the paint application systems, environmental solutions, which is also used for air abatement systems, and also lithium-ion coating battery solutions. Carl Schenk is in the field of balancing and diagnostic technologies solutions. Homag is purely into woodworking machine solutions, like to build the timber houses or for flooring and woodworking machineries. Dürr India is a 100% subsidiary company of Dürr Systems AG and was founded 25 years ago in Chennai when the liberalization started and automotive industry started coming to India with a major investments. And with a team of 340 employees today, we are a 33 million euros company. Dürr India has installed more than 60 paint shops used in automotive industry and the auto ancillaries, and served almost 60 plus OEMs. We have installed more than 275 painting robots used in automotive applications and 50 plus environmental solutions. Dürr India journey began in 6th of February 1997. And in 2008, we started with an engineering center and a training center in 2015. In 2019, we have started with a team of around 65 engineers, a global engineering services, which offers total hardware, software, and electrical solutions to all our Dürr global teams. And today we are a team of 95 and has got a capacity to expand in coming days. Dürr India is also recognized as a center of excellence within Dürr Group since 2018 and is a local partner for you if you are planning to expand globally with all our entities around. In 2015, we have established a training center with a drive to train all our customers and their representatives for the paint application, DXQ, digital software solutions for the paint shop and other applications. And several key customers have already been imparted with these solutions, including Hero MotoCorp in two-wheeler industry. Dürr India is a ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 company for all its products and services offered across, including EN 1090 for steel structural design. This helps us to achieve best safety, quality, and project management at the site. Dürr India journey began in two-wheeler industry since 2010, with the first installation starting with Mahindra two-wheeler paint shop, and thereon we built Royal Enfield, all the paint shops, Hero MotoCorp, and recent one at Ola Electric. Just to highlight two things is about a repeat business that we have come up with. and that is through the customer satisfaction. And these plants are operating around the clock, along with more than 40% of two-wheeler production coming out of these plants in today's scenario. Dürr solutions are built around modular processes for scalable production, which is furthermore challenging when we look at the three-dimensional two-wheeler parts. And especially for two-wheeler parts, Dürr India has mastered this by way of providing a turnkey solution approach. Excellent products, when manufactured and painted in a resource-efficient and cost-competitive and environmental-friendly way, pays off in a longer run. And that is through sustainable paint shop solution, which uses less resources. So the systems are designed in such a way that we use less material and the media to produce goods, generates less waste, like both solid and the liquid, out of the whole manufacturing process, and also significantly fewer emission in the exhaust, which goes into the atmosphere, like VOCs and CO2, thereby optimizing the economic and ecological targets through an efficient process, optimized layout, and digital solution. This drives us towards a turnkey approach in terms of pre-treatment and electrocoating application with the innovative overspray separation spray booth technology, which scrubs the particle to deliver an exhaust which is less than 3 milligram per meter cube in the exhaust particulate matters, and also the application technology which saves paint and minimizes the overspray. We also offer complete curing and handling solutions for the paint shops, and also an end-of-the-pipe solution which is for exhaust air abatement solutions. Not to miss out on the digitalization, because in today's need, apart from the hardware, the software also plays a role in terms of optimizing all your resources. So that's one of the areas which we have worked upon. This is to derive a benefit for you on the pre-treatment and e-coat line. Highly multi-stage bath cleaning systems and modular anode control systems are provided for uniform coating performance of the CED and in a less power consumption. So we have a digitally controlled rectifier, which is to synergize high plant availability and minimize the interface. So with that turnkey approach, we are able to offer this complete solution. The efficient overspray separation, which is in wet as well as in dry, is available for the mass scale production. Dry is also installed in India. And before we go into the spray booth part of it, I'll just take you through a pre-treatment where Eco Multicyclone filtration. This is a self-operating and self-sustainable equipment which operates to remove the coarse particle of up to 50 micron, followed by a Eco Magno, which is a proprietary product of ours, which removes the ferrous particles in your system. And this all is operating automatically without any manual intervention. This tremendously reduces the load on the secondary filtration processes, thereby increasing the availability of the plant and equipment. Next product is Eco DC Max. This is the modular anode control system, which helps you to control the anodes in small phases. Instead of going in for a complete full-fledged rectifier, you don't need any more a standby rectifier. This particular rectifier uniformly controls the current, and that delivers you a uniform coating. This also is having a less ripple in your power and no standby rectifier which is required, which ensures a uniform coating of the CD. You also don't need an additional power grid. Okay. Coming to the next topic, Eco Dry-X, which is a dry overspray separation technology, which has got a dry overspray scrubber media instead of water. This efficiently, optimizes the energy consumption because it is a dry media, so the pressure drop across the whole system is less, and this saves us around 15 to 18% of the power consumption, and also doesn't need any pit. No civil trenches are required, so that minimizes your investment also. The wet sticky sludge also need not to be handled, so that gives you an easy handling of the paint sludge. The recirculation of the exhaust is possible for all the automatic and robotic applications, and no fungus or bacteria, so it is environmentally and also for the operator, it is a clean media to operate with. Paint application, after paint application, the modular oven is designed to minimize the energy loss. There is an integrated design of the oven which we operate with so that the heat loss across the surfaces are eliminated and defined air paths are maintained to have a uniform paint curing. Customized metal handling solution, be it in overhead or in the floor, we offer them all as a technology turnkey responsible supplier. When we look at a spray booth, how it operates, traditionally, we have 100% VOC going out into the atmosphere. But with the use of OxyX RL, which is a VOC concentrator, we can concentrate the VOCs because the diluted phase of the spray booth air, which is getting exhausted, can be concentrated and VOCs only will be then fed to the oxidizer. This is how we are able to remove the VOCs from the spray booth exhaust. Similarly, in terms of the oven, we have a possibility of integrating a RTO or a regenerative thermal oxidizer, which is operated on a natural gas or LPG. And this is to oxidize the VOCs and convert them into CO or water vapors so that we get a clean exhaust in the atmosphere. Similarly, instead of using LPG or natural gas, we have an alternate solution which is an electrically operated OxyX RV, which is an electrically fired or operated oxidizer which treats and purifies the VOCs. So no NOx or CO emission from the exhaust. Now this can be connected with the spray booth as well as with the ovens. It's a flameless RTO. And this is already implemented since 2018 in Scandinavia. And this is a 100% CO2 neutral solution with the electric flameless RTO and the electric oven. And with this particular electric oven, there is no change in the drying process or quality with the electric oven. Beyond this, we also are in the field of thermal oil separation system. And this is on the filling solution. Dürr offers a complete solution for brake oil, coolant, and gearbox oil for ICE as well as for EV, including brake leak test system. If it is a batch type system, we have got a standalone model, and if it is a high-speed line, which is in the range of 18 to 20 seconds stack, we have a Pro Line Cube, which takes care of the oil filling with a specialized adapters suitable for your application. Some of the references already established in the market, including for electric vehicle, we have Ola as well. Just take a few minutes more. It's on the battery coating line. Dürr portfolio is on the battery electrode manufacturing process also. And as the case goes, it is in 4-step process that the battery is manufactured. Electrode manufacturing, this is a critical process beyond which we are into module assembly and the others ones also. Just to give you a glimpse on this solution of electrode manufacturing, it is a lithium ion which is coated from both sides. And traditionally in slot die coaters, you process it only on one side and then again redo for the second side, or in tandem coaters you run twice. But in Dürr solution, it is both sides, it is coated simultaneously with a floating web. And once the coating is done uniformly, the film is dried uniformly with a air flotation dryer concept in which the foil is floating around without touching any object, and from both sides you are able to do a flawless drying of this particular coating. This minimizes your equipment size by almost 50% and also operating cost. Secondly, when we are drying this particular paint film, we are evaporating a lot of solvent out of it. So that solvent is also recovered using distillation column method, and the exhaust which has got contaminants in it and VOCs, those are treated before it is let out into the atmosphere. Lithium ion, we have got 3 solutions, which is ranging from 250 mm width to 700 mm foil width and generating from 0.5 megawatt up to 1000 megawatt per annum as a capacity. And the coater line speed can go from 0.5 to 80 meters per minute. These lines are already there in India. We have 2 installed already, and third one is under progress right now. Next topic is the last one, which is on the digitalization. Over the years, Dürr has pioneered several key technologies, and they have been benchmarking standards for the paint shop industry in globally. And this has been achieved through the hardware re-engineering or optimization. But with the growing trend, we have come up into a software solution as well. And with the cutting edge DXQ digital software, we are offering that in the modular section so that you can leverage on achieving an highest OEE. The TPM and the lean manufacturing program process for effective utilization of the equipment. A typical example is of an oven curing process, wherein the paint, how it is cured, is uniformly checked, and without any oven instrumentation like data logger or anything inside the equipment, this individually the body can be tracked and we can achieve an EMT curve through the digital analytics part of it. So we have several equipments which are being developed over a period, and the first one is for the oven, which we have seen just now. Beyond this, we have several unique technologies on our portfolio, including the overspray-free painting system. These all YouTube channel has got all these videos. Because of the time constraint, I'm just trying to utilize this opportunity to disclose that yes, these all are available, and these are some of the customers. Beyond this, if you feel and give us an opportunity, we are just stationed out here between hall number 1 and 2, and we are available and we'll be keen to discuss with you. Thank you.